Hi everyone! In the first part, we reviewed the JUVANTIA layout in 3D render, look at live examples on my roof, and talked about infrastructure. But any city dead without an economy. It's time to talk about the digital world of our Technopark, how it works, where the money comes from, and how physical objects turn into RWA, real-world assets. There are four main types of assets in JUVANTIA. First is Robolus, the robots themselves. Second is domus, buildings and shelters. Third is apparatus, various functional mechanism and park infrastructure. And fourth is setters, the land plus where all other assets are placed. How is an asset created? Let's say you printed and built your robots. When you send it to the park, the physical machine goes under care of JUVANTIA. The park issues a digital document, a digital twin of your asset, and gives you 100% of its shares. Physically, the robot lives in the park, but legally and economically, you are its sole owner. But JUVANTIA is an economy of co-ownership. To fully control an asset, for example, to drive a Robolus or set the prices on apparatus, you only need to own 51% of its shares. If your share drops below 51%, you need the other co-owners to vote for you as the manager. There is a risk here. If the community decides you are a bad driver, they can take away your right to control your own asset. The rule is simple. If you don't want to risk, never sell more than 49%. Why sell shares of your robots or building at all? First, to give people from all over the world a chance to be a part of your cool project. Second, by selling a safe share on the trade hub at market price, you cover the cost of building the robots, make a profit, and get money to build a new robot. And what about those who don't want to solder, print, or be an engineer at all? You can still become a full member of JUVANTIA. You can buy shares of absolutely any asset in the park. A successful racing robobus, a profitable building or functional apparatus like an aftermarket charging station, and receive a share of their revenue. But don't be fooled, it's not a passive income. As co-owners, you will have to track the reruns of prices, vote on price changes, monitor the market, and bear the risk of breakdowns by choosing the right mandates. This is not a real business. And finally, sectors. You can get the sector at three ways. First, buy a primary placement directly from the park. You can do this either by buying partitional shares on a general basis or by buying 100% of the asset through an auction. Second, buy a sector on the secondary market in the trade hub from other participants. Third, simply rent a sector in the leasing hub for the time you need. Now for the most important part, money, its storage and security. The park's economic runs on official digital euros. Under European law, this is called an e-money token. No other payment methods are shown in your account. We are building a real predictable economy. JUVANTIA uses a non-custodial wallet. This means that only you control your money. No one else can access your funds, not even the park. When you create an account, a cryptographic passkey is generated. It is permanently tied to your smartphone, biometrics, Face ID or fingerprint, and stored in the device security chip. It never leaves your phone. You can make transactions only from device you have audited and only by confirming your biometrics. There is simply no other way to send money. In your wallet, you store the park's digital assets and euros. You can transfer money to any park member in a couple of clicks just by their username. Now, you don't have to wait for the park to be fully built to test all this. Our digital infrastructure is already live on the Testnet, and I invite you to test it out. It's very simple to do. First, go to city.juvantia.org and register an account. Second, go to the soccer faucet to claim some free test money. And finally, open the Trade Hub in our mobile web app. With this test money, you can start trading right away. You can literally buy sectors on my demo roof or other test assets of the park. Come play with our economy and see how cool it works. This transparent, safe and fair economy is the engine of JUVANTIA. By selling shares of their assets, engineers get their capital to buy new 3D printers, order filaments and glue even more amazing robots. It's an ecosystem where everyone wins. Thank you for your time. In the next part, we will do a massive unboxing and review of the JUVANTIA Robust platform, just like real tech startup delivery. See you soon.